Hello, my name is Kurt Halverson with HomeTown Credit Union. Today we're going to be talking about the stimulus payments that are being issued by the government in response to the COVID-19 crisis and how to plan to make the most out of your bonus. What to do with your stimulus money? For a lot of people, this is an unexpected bonus, and your mind races with all the things that you might be able to do with these funds. Before you choose what to do, it's important to think thoroughly about what kind of options you can take with this money and what kind of an impact it can have on your financial situation. Option number one is covering basic needs. And this may be a priority for most. That is making sure that your housing is covered, your utilities, groceries, and other pressing basic needs to make sure that you're up to date on any bills. While it's not very glamorous, it sure beats paying a lot of late fees and making sure that all of your bases are covered in that respect. Option number two is to build an emergency savings. Now, it's there for when things are unexpected. That could cover auto repairs, medical expenses, other unexpected costs. It's a fact of life that things happen when we least expect them, and they do happen. Whether you get a flat tire, you have a water heater go out at home, you need emergency dental surgery, something like that. And by having money set aside in a savings account, the beauty is that you can pay cash for that item, hopefully, or that expense, instead of having to borrow and pay interest to pay that money back. Option number three is paying down debt. So with this option, you want to look at good debt versus bad debt. So what they're looking at is, do you have, for bad debt, things that are past due? Do you have things that are high interest or maybe even collections? Those might be things that you want to get cleaned up with these funds. Good debt could be loans that you're current on. It might be things like a house loan where your interest might be tax deductible. It could be student loans through the government that are very low interest rate. So you want to weigh those out. Is it going to be beneficial for me to pay the money towards this debt if it's some of that good debt? Or if it's the bad debt, does it make most sense for your financial situation to apply this money towards that? Know that if you're paying down debt, it could have a positive impact on your credit score, which might be beneficial. You can also save money on what you're paying in interest over those loans, again, by paying down that debt. You can improve credit. And you can free up monthly income by eliminating payments. So less money going out the door each month by paying a chunk of it now. Also, consider taxes. If you happen to owe the government back taxes, you know that that could have an impact on being able to qualify for the bonus payment. However, if you owe taxes for this year, it might be more beneficial to pay them with this money than to wait or try to work out a payment plan with the government. Option number four is to save for retirement. This is never a bad idea to prepare for tomorrow, and there are a lot of great investment options out there for taking this money that you're receiving as an unexpected bonus and helping to put it to work for you to benefit you down the road when you retire. So what to do? You get to make the call. You are in control. It's important to put thought into it now and to make a plan before the funds arrive, because oftentimes when that happens, if you don't have a plan, then your money performs a disappearing act and it's gone before you know it. So by taking time now to think through things, make a plan, you can put this money to work for you and have a positive impact on your financial situation. Be sure to check out our other videos for information about managing your finances. We've got a great education section on HomeTown Credit Union's website. There are also some interactive activities on there where you can learn about different financial topics. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or need help. You can reach me direct at 507-455-6726, or you can email me at khalverson@hometowncu.coop. Thank you very much for joining me today. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.